Let us begin. Ta-da-da-da! Hello friends, today we shall learn how to draw a fish tank. You must be having a fish tank at home or must have seen it at a friend's place, right? It looks like this. So many things to draw. You must be wondering, hey, do not worry. We are here to make things easy for you. Be ready with your pencil, eraser, black sketch pen and crayons. Let's begin. First of all, draw a basic shape, a rectangle. Next, draw another rectangle a little up here. Now, join the points of both the rectangles. This is the outer shape of the fish tank, which is made of glass. That was easy to draw, ta-da-da-da! The main elements of a fish tank are, yes, the fish. Let us add them one by one. At the right here, draw an oval shape for the shape of a fish. Next, draw a curve inside and a small circle in this way. Let us draw the mouth like this. Next, for the long tail of the fish, draw long curves as shown here. To show the scales on the body, just go on drawing half circles. Wow, that looks nice! Make more details of the eye like this. The fish can swim because of its fins, which we draw making these shapes on either side of its body. There it is. The big fish looks so cute. A fish tank has a number of fish of different sizes. On the left side, draw a fish by making an oval, eye and triangle-like shapes for the tails and fins. In the same way, draw another fish as shown here. Friends, if you draw fish in a cross angle, it looks like they are moving from one direction to another. Draw two little fish in this way. So cute they look. Wow! Now there are too many fish on the left. Let us draw another fish on the right, here below. The oval-shaped body, eyes, tails and fins. There are other elements as well in a fish tank, like a sea plant. Here we are going on making any shape with curves and lines like this, because a sea plant has no specific shape. It is made of grass and the plant keeps on moving due to water around it. To hold the plant, some pebbles are kept below it as we have shown here. We have shown some more pebbles of different sizes at the base. We will now draw a very interesting type of fish, the jellyfish. Hey, it's not jelly to eat, okay? Draw an oval shape and two small eyes inside. A cute smile on its face like this would look good. Next, draw a lot of fins by making these curves and joining them. Okay friends, you all know these elements are in water. Decide the water level. Now, draw curved lines to show the water level in this way. Draw such curves on the left side, behind and the right side also. Add a few more lines to make the water look real. It is very important to show bubbles in a fish tank. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Just draw a few small circles here and there to show that the fish are breathing in water. If you want, you can draw one more small plant here, right below. Hey, I forgot to draw fins on these small fish here. With this, our pencil sketch is ready. Ta-da-da-da! Bring out your black sketch pen to outline the picture. We start with the top of the tank and move to its right side. Here we are making straight lines, so the outline may go a little out of pencil marks. Remember friends, you can always improve upon your drawing when you are making an outline. Next, outline the back side of the tank as well. Just take care that the elements should be seen in the front. Now outline the elements. Start with the water level. And then make the bubbles. You can add a few bubbles on top with your sketch pen. Next, outline the two small fish on top. Two cross-moving fish. Wherever I forgot to draw fins, I am adding them. Make a few more bubbles. Outline the mouth of the big fish, its body, eyes, fins, scales and tail. Again, add bubbles. You can also add a few more elements with your sketch pen if you want. Now outline the sea plant and the pebbles below it. Ta-da-da-da, so cute! If you can make them look more real or with a better perspective, it will be better, okay? For the jellyfish, start from the left side as shown here and carefully outline all the fins and complete the figure. Also outline the eyes and smile. Next, outline the other fish and also the plant. Carefully erase all the pencil marks. Let us begin coloring. Start with the big fish and color the body of the fish with dark orange. Use a little lighter shade on the front side as shown here. You can use the same color for the fins and tail. Color the eyelid with a darker shade. Use the pink color for the jellyfish. As for all the small fish, use purple or blue color for the body. As for their tail and fins, you can use a lighter shade of purple or blue. Color the sea plant with green. Use a lighter shade of green for the other plant. The pebbles shown here are colored with brown. Okay, now let us color the water with blue color. Be very careful while coloring water so that the color does not get mixed with that of the other elements. The color will be of a lighter shade at the top and will get darker as you move down. Finish coloring on the left side of tank first, then center and then right side. On the lower side, use darker shade of blue and on the topmost portion, use very light shade of blue. A little dark shading is done on the sides below to make the fish tank look real. Lastly, make use of grey color below the tank to show its shadow. Wow, the fish tank looks so awesome and real. I'm sure friends you enjoyed drawing and coloring the fish tank. If you have a fish tank at home, you can frame and keep your fish tank picture beside it. You can proudly tell everyone about it and also from where you learned it. Bye friends, we'll see you soon with more such fun drawings. Keep practicing. Ta-da-da-da. Bye-bye.